Hey there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a registration form for your conferences, and B, create pages where those forms will be displayed on. And then also create maybe a link to that page so that you can send it out to your members and they can come in and register. All right, so the first thing you need to do is you need to log in. Okay, just give it time. Right, so that's the first thing you need to do is you log in, you come to your dashboard, you go to the forms, you go to new form. All right, so you get this pop-up asking you for form title and form description. This is very important, and remember this. Make sure the form title matches the conference title. So if you're doing the 38th annual conference, have the form title as something like 38th annual conference. Okay, conference registration. Conference. Okay, but in this case, I'm just going to call it video tutorial form. Then the form description, obviously, it's just where you give more description, whatever the project is, or conference, or just a meeting, or anything like that. Just give out more information there. Also, your viewers are going to be able to see that. So this is just a demo. Create form. You're going to save it and start redirecting. So you'll come to this screen, and the first thing you'll be asked for is a number, registration name. So go to advanced field, and there's a name field over there. Just click on it, it'll drop it here. Expand it, and if you're in the middle name, you can add it. If you're in the prefix, you can add the prefix, which is like Dr., Mrs., Mr., whatever. So okay, the other thing we need is the address, and there it goes. So you can edit everything you see in here. If you just click on it, it expands. Then you can remove what you want. You can remove, you can add, you can change the name of that particular field. And like, for instance, zip postal code, the only thing we actually want here is like postal address, right? Yeah, set default country, like I said, to Kenya. Okay. If you need simpler fields, you go to standard fields, and you get something like a single line text, or if you have to enter a lot of information, it's a paragraph text. And if you have to select different options, you can either have check boxes, multi-select, or drop box. All these are UI elements you use every day on websites and applications. So I'm pretty sure you understand what they mean. Okay, so remember to update the form. Good. So the form is updated. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to create pages. Okay, we need to create a page that's going to hold this form. This form can't just display itself. It needs to be within a page. So what we do is we navigate to pages, add new, and then we call it the same title we call the form, video demo tutorial, right? And then on the description here, don't worry too much. The only thing you need to do is click on this add form right here. You add a form, then you select a form. Then that's why I said it's very important to remember the title, because if you don't, see, you got several. So you need to remember which one you save that form as. And ours was video tutorial form. And down here, it asks you if you want to display the title, which just leave it as yes, and the description as well, which you also just leave it as that. So you insert form, you publish that page. Okay, just wait as it publishes. Great. So the page is created. The form is within there. It's there in a short code. It has a URL right here. So if you were to click on it, we'll see the page and the form within the page, like that. There you go. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to be sending your members this link to this page. All right. So when you do your newsletter or a blast email for registration, you send them this link for, okay, let's just go back for a minute. All right. So the page is there, it's saved, and you really don't have to do anything else. If you want to add it to menus, you'll have to go to appearance, menu. Let me just show you how this works. Then you remember the page. All right. So that's the one. We just add it to menu. Then you can just decide where you want it to go from there. And I guess that's it. If you have any more questions, just let me know. Thank you very much.